All right, guys. XMA, advanced sword form. Everybody attention.
Yes, sir.
Bow. Step chop. Grab. And bato. Around. Roll up. Reverse roll. And side cut. Downward diagonal. Upper diagonal. High block left. High block right. Turn. Side cut left. Side cut right. Figure 8. Tuck over the arm. Roll and cut. Change the grip back. Side cut. Turn. Around. Diagonal cut. Roll. Change the grip. Turn. Stash. In a horse stance. Flip. Grab. Turn. And diagonal. Bring it up. Spin. Diagonal. Step punch. Figure 8. Tuck. Low block to the back. Step diagonal low. Step low block. Step flip it up. Figure 8. Down. That's the first half, guys. We'll get the second half next time.